For the last 3 or 4 years, Erik hasn't made it to Super Celebration in Tennessee. I have. And I found this place. I wanted to get him here to get his opinion on it. My guess is he's gonna say he doesn't like it just because I say I love it.
I'm gonna say it's not for me.
Let's see how it goes. You ready?
That scared me.
Chapulines.
Oh my. What? Come on in. Is that a cricket or is that a joint on the logo?
Cricket. Because I think that's what Chapulines is grasshopper. Actually, I may get 2 campechanos. Those are pretty damn good.
So first impression, I like their logo, but if they serve grasshopper on their tacos, I'm out. I'm not getting out. I hope they have al pastor. The first chip.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. Bruh. So the chips and salsa, I think is good. The regular salsa, I think it's got a lot of like chili flavor to it, chili powder, chili whatever.
Yeah, fresh.
These
very
two,
fresh.
I don't know what they are, but I think they're both amazing. I'm guessing this is like an avocado, and that one's maybe an avocado also.
Oh yes, yes. Okay.
Pork belly, barbacoa, and capuchino. That's me.
Okay. All right. Quesadilla. Whoa. Oh, hey, oh. Pork belly. Right on. Man.
Is this your go-to spot typically for Super Cell?
100%. Normally I come twice to the restaurant. I think I'm gonna do a barbacoa first.
It's hot. I'm not gonna.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's gonna be hot.
Hot. That's hot. Oh my. Oh my. Wow. I can't handle this. I'm gonna need a fork. That hot salsa pairs really well with the barbacoa. We're fantastic. Yes, sir.
What's the difference between these two?
That one
you
is a
explain?
roasted tomato, made it with a tomato and arbol pepper, roasted in the morning, and the second one is zucchini avocado with jalapeno. I'm the one.
You make it?
Yes, sir. Every
Yeah.
sauce is made here. Even the corn tortillas is made here. This is Poblano sauce. Yeah, that's one of my things. Maybe like 90% of my kitchen is made here. Even the corn tortillas. Every
Even the
single sauce.
tortillas?
Yeah, corn, not the flour, the corn. Yeah, the fries too. I mean, basically everything is here. Got French fries up here, butter fries. Thank you for being here, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having us. Now I'm pumped because I knew it. Tortillas were fresh. I saw them. People were walking around with them. This is going to be awesome. Man, this sauce is amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait any longer. Al pastor, pineapple. Let's do this.
Okay, I'll do it with campeachano. We have pork belly at the same time.
This is how I know Jesus loves me. The al pastor, it's very juicy. It's actually very chicken-like, which is interesting. But I can definitely taste, obviously, some cumin. That pop of pineapple just bursts in your mouth. It's really good. Let's try it with this sauce. I'm totally enjoying mixing all the random flavors together because everything's so robust and so fresh tasting. I'm chewing as fast as I can because all we have left is the pork belly to try. Now, this one I feel like needs some cilantro. None of the other tacos, I forgot to put cilantro on the other tacos because they didn't need it. Okay, Chris, what is it about this taco you like so much?
So, it's pork belly.
We established that.
The crispiness of the pork belly, the fat, rendered great, easy chew. The flavors are phenomenal. I'm so happy. So happy.
I'm gonna say it's not for me. I can see why people would like it. It's not my speed. I'm glad you enjoyed it, Kris. And that you're finally in a good mood.
I got sweat rolling down my.
I feel like I got cilantro all up in my business. And I'm gonna finish my quesadilla taco. This place has a huge menu of tacos. And I'm gonna go get some more. Oh, yes. Fantastic, thank you. This is the Rajas. So this is the Gobernator. The Gobernator?
Yeah.
Gobernator.
Gobernator.
All right, let's check it out. Gobernator. It's got shrimp, poblano peppers, bacon, and some cheese. Damn it, that's good. Holy we gotta invest in these guys. We're taking this stuff worldwide, baby.
You know what's gonna be funny? Is that his favorite taco is the gringo one. Ground beef and cheese.
This has been fantastic. You know what? Every now and then, I agree with you.
Yeah, you didn't believe me this whole time. I've been saying, I bet I've said 20 times that we need to come here. And you've been putting it off, putting it off, putting it off.
I believed you.
I had a feeling that if we would have came here last night, we'd be coming here again tonight.
No, the problem is, our videographer had a bad case of hemorrhoids and he had to take the night off.
Yeah, but we could have came here without him.
I might cut that out.
He could have left his hemorrhoids at home.
I might cut that out.
What size are you?
Like a medium or a large?
I don't know. They're not cold, but this hoodie.
Oh, dude, are you sure? Can I pay for him?
No.
Hey.
I want to see you again, guys.
Well, we'll be back next year. Did you start as a food truck?
I used to be half food truck, but I'm really busy. I can't do that.
But it started as a food
But it
truck.
started,
Oh, yeah, of course.
So it started as a food truck, and you came brick and mortar.
I've been learning for so many things, and I decided to do my own stuff, but a small one. That way I can see every single table.
Yeah.
I watch every single one, but I'm always cooking. So.
You are watching. I
I was
watched
like-
you watch like what's
Every
that?
single. That's why I don't want to make a big one.
Yeah.
We'll be back this time next year.
Yeah.
People see you here.
Yeah.
Guys. Take
Yeah,
care.
guys.
God bless you. Yeah. Look at this, man. I got me some gear. Look at that. Check this out. I don't even know what it said. Maryville.
Maryville.
Yeah, that's right. This place is fantastic. Kris, you actually know what you're talking about when it comes to tacos.
I don't know why you would doubt me. I've been eating tacos my whole life.
I'm well aware, but it's time to put a number to this place, okay? You go first.
I go first. All right. Out of my 3 tacos, I would say the barbacoa was my least favorite. I would say it's an 8.2. Then we get to the pork belly. I say it's a 9. And then the campechano was off the so good. 9.3. Altogether, 9.2.
That's the biggest score that you've ever put out there, and mine's close. Now, I can't get it in the 9s for me, but it is a solid 8.9. One of my favorite places, the only place I've been to where I've gone up and gotten a second round of tacos, and then asked them if we can invest to take
let's franchise.
this chain to Illinois. All I know is these guys are fantastic.
Chapulines.
We gotta go because the Bronco show ends tomorrow. We're out of here.
It's a medium. There's no way this thing's fitting me.
We can't talk you into putting that on right now.
Nope.
Let's try to get that on.
No.
Squeeze in.
There's no way.
Let's go, bro.
There's no way.
Come on. Just get it over your head, man.
no way.
Commit. It's like a golf shot. You got to just commit. Pull that thing down. Yes. You're huge. Man, you're huge.
I don't know if I can breathe.
I didn't think I could actually get him to do that, but he did. That's how much he loves this place.
I need help.
Come on.